Hi, Neil again. Just a quick video out on a survey this morning in Northumberland, and one of the things I've been asked to inspect is the wall ties, the cavity wall ties. It has had wall tie replacement carried out in the past. There's your evidence. So they've had the cavity wall ties replaced, but I never take it for granted that they've been done correctly. So just walking around the property doing a closer inspection, I noticed that there's several locations in which there's distinct horizontal cracking in the mortar beds, as can be seen here. And then it's fairly isolated. There's about 6 or 7 areas, some of them a bit more obvious. So the easiest way to verify, I suspect what's happened when they've replaced the ties, they should have either isolated or removed the original ties, because they will continue to expand as they corrode. So I've come to this point here, and I scan with a wall tie detector and I hit. As you can hear, it picks it up straight away that there's a wall tie in that location corresponding with the horizontal widening of the mortar joint. There's another little bit I've just seen here. So I'll So, you know, whilst when we turn up, and we obviously take it for granted that the wall ties have been done, and we presume they've been done properly, it's always worth just having a closer inspection, because it's fairly obvious that in that location I don't know if you can, well, I hope you can hear it. It's obviously indicating that there's a wall tie in that location, and it's just isolated areas. When the remedial wall ties were carried out, I would imagine technicians were a little bit lazy and just thought, you know, we'll just get away, get the job done. And unfortunately, they've missed quite a few of the wall ties, which are continuing to corrode, and obviously the expansion is worsening. So it's just, if you're looking at a property and you think straight away, you can probably spot that it's got it's had wall ties replaced. It's always worth just having a close inspection to make sure that all of the original ties have been isolated, because if not, we just end up with ongoing issues in the future. Okay, I hope this is useful. Take care now. Bye bye.